ஃபஸ்ட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸே எனக்கு பெஸ்ட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸாக இருந்தது. I would also like to use those skills for me to write a stories. இந்த மாதிரி ஒர்க் ஷாப்ஸ் நிறைய நடத்தணும்.
We sent her all alone and she enjoyed it thoroughly and she learned. Of course, she was saying it was very interesting and the teaching thing was like friendly. And I just hope this workshop continues so that she can do it on her own.
The workshop kind of forced, by putting constraints like you cannot take a selfie with showing your face on it. By putting these constraints, they in some sense nudged us to explore creativity, or rather nudged our children to explore creativity. So that is what I guess was the most educative experience about the workshop.
So I loved it. I thought it was designed very innovatively with a lot of ideas which normally we don't explore, though all of us are on smartphones. Yeah, it was very nicely and thoughtfully designed.
I think it's fantastic that Chennai Photo Biennale has decided to take up this activity. Special kids don't have that much options to explore creativity in India, and from that perspectives in particularly I really congratulate CPB for having thought of this and made it a reality. So as parents of special kids, we're really grateful to CPB for this.
ஃபோட்டோ வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா சும்மா நார்மலாக ஏதோ ஒரு இடத்த பார்த்து பிடிக்கிறது மட்டுமே கிடையாது. நமக்கு பிடிச்சவங்க, நம்ம பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிறவங்ககிட்ட நம்மளை சுற்றி இருக்க சின்ன சின்ன அழகான விஷயங்கள்லாம் எப்படி எடுக்கலாம் அப்படின்றத பற்றி ரொம்ப சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு அந்த ஒர்க்.
I got a wonderful feedback from the students because they just love the activities and the photographs that they took over there. In fact, one or two students with autism, we've had very great difficulty to get them to really participate in activities, really love the workshops.
The HEY workshops are a very important initiative at CPB Learning Lab. As photographers, we understand the joy and happiness of sharing our knowledge through various fun activities in photography, writing, and sharing stories.
We're tapping into a population which is very much limited to their circle. If we're doing a creative workshop with them, there is more scope of them into understanding themselves better. It improves their social skills. That is the primary impact which I see that HEY is giving it for the participants. It's improving their communication skills and also the fact that they're tapping into themselves. We are incorporating two varied concepts of storytelling and photography and bringing them together, and that I think is a transformation and a game changer for our society.
Once the community starts to photograph its own lived experiences, this will become a beautiful archive for the future communities to celebrate the talent of these very artists who are working with us today.